Okay, here I finished my first part of my collar or necklace, and as you can see here, I'm making sure there's no gaps, there's no loose ends, like the crosses just like behind each other. There's no like looseness in the thread, and everything is secure and beautiful. That's what I'm doing here before finishing everything and secure the last cross before cutting the fish line and starting the next step. That's what I'm doing. Okay, that's very important. So the next step, what we're gonna do to close everything, make secure on the last cross. That's very important because the last cross and the first cross will be the two crosses, especially in this first line, will hold the whole necklace and it will be kind of heavy. So you need to secure everything before cutting the yarn and using your lighter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in a full circle with my thread or with my needles, and I'm gonna thread it through each pearl, as you can see, in a circle on the last cross. It's very important. You can do it like twice, 3 times. Do you just like make sure it's strong enough to hold the chain and hold the whole like the whole weight of the necklace, because it's kind of heavy one. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna do that again when I'm finishing my work, but that will be in the next chapters. But as you can see me here, I'm just going in a circle from both sides and make sure it's secure. So I have a double, like the fish line is double now, as you can see. So that's normal to look like this, but when you pull your thread, as you can see, it's secure and strong and beautiful. So now I finished my 4 circles. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make sure that I have the 2 threads ends or the 2 fish line ends like in front of each other, so I can make multiple knots to secure the ends before cutting it. Okay, so as you can see, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna take the other one and making sure to cut the yarn where it will be a little bit hidden, so it will not be obvious to everyone. Okay, I love to make my work as secure and the same time as like beautiful in finishing as possible. So as you can see, I decided to make it hidden in between the last cross and the one before it. And then I'm gonna make 4 knots. With normal thread you can make like 2 knots or 3 knots, but with this fish line you need to make a multiple knots, so it will be strong in like locking everything, and in the same time you have something to use a lighter on, and that's what I'm gonna do in the next step. As you can see, making sure I have like 4, and now I'm gonna leave just a small piece of it and cut it. Here we go. So I'm not gonna leave it like this because it will look so bad. Okay, we're gonna use a lighter next to secure this knot, the 4 knots that we made above each other. We're gonna use a lighter because this is plastic, and using a very fine, very quick kind of a like fire over it will melt the knots to each other and make it more secure, and it will make the finishing more nice and neat. So that's what I'm gonna do, just very, very lightly. As you can see, I'm not just like pointing it, just very lightly. I hope you can see it. Just making sure it's very light fire and making sure it's not too heavy, because if it's too heavy it will cut the yarn and we're gonna repeat the whole thing again. So be gentle using the fire, and as you can see, it's kind of hidden. It will not be obvious later on. So this is the first part of our necklace or our collar. We finished it, and now let's go to the next step to show you how to connect the next beads to it. So let's get started.